We smoking today a smoke picnic pork shoulder, Pernil style. Well, kinda. You'll see in the video. This is what you call picnic pork shoulder roast. It's only what, roughly a little under 8 pounds. Let's get going here. Let me see. What I'm gonna do first. All right, so I got 13 cloves of garlic, so you know it's gonna be ridiculous. All right, let me get this wiped off and rinsed on down. I'll be right back. All right, so first thing we got, these are chipotle peppers. You can buy any brand. I don't know if it makes a big difference, but this is what I got. It was the cheapest I found at Walmart. It was like $1.60, $1.63. That's why I got it. No rhyme or reason. 13 cloves of garlic, limes in here, and lemons. A little avocado oil. So I got 2 limes and one, I guess you would call this one large lemon. Let's go with some dry seasonings here. I'm gonna do, since it's such a big piece of meat, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of the Laurels. And I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of dried oregano. 1 tablespoon of paprika. Ooh. Oh Lord. I know you take the garlic and put it in there, but I'm just being a little extra because I got a new toy and I wanted to play with my food processor and I wanted to blend something up. So that's why I'm doing it this way. All right. Before, y'all get in the comments and say, you're doing it all wrong. So, all the marinade can seep on up in there. We're not taking this off. We're just going to take it back. And kind of like make this part crispy. Like skins. Crackling. It'd be like smoke crackling. All right. We got that back, that fat back. Boom, fat back. Flavor is gonna be everywhere. All right. Now let's get this baby up in there. Oh, it fit. Yeah, the flavor coming off here is ridiculous. See, look at that. Y'all see how that's looking. If that ain't gonna be good, I don't know. I don't know what to tell myself. Look at that. See the flavor all up under there. Flavored skin. Boom. And let's do that. Ooh.
That looks good.
Now that's gonna go overnight, y'all. We're gonna let them flavors just soak on in. It's gonna soak on in. I'm gonna get on and hit that smoker tomorrow. We're gonna see what it do, baby. All right. It is marinated overnight. I got it in my pan because I want to capture these juices. Catch these juices and put it back into that pool when I pull it. It's going to be good. All right. So I'm going to let it cruise. I'm not going to even check on this. I'm going to let it just roll so we're just going to let this big piece of meat roll for 3 hours. Might let it roll for 4. I ain't in no hurry today. We just chilling. So big piece of meat. We know it's gonna take a long time, so just let it roll, and then then we're gonna wrap it after that. All right, let's relax. Say, Darryl, what's the wood of the day? Hickory wood, and it's all good. 2 hours in, y'all. So what I want to do is put a little liquid just right up under here. I have apple cider vinegar, some Worcestershire, and water. So it's 2 hours in. This baby is looking good. The internal temp on here is only 60 degrees. So we got to ride. We got to ride, y'all. But still, I'm going to let this bark set on here another 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. I'm going to take it off, wrap it, let it finish off in the oven from there. See you back in a couple hours. All right, check that bad boy out. A little crispy here because of the sugars in the marinade. That's okay. It's almost like rendering down. So let me go ahead and cover this up. And it's been on here 4 hours. So I'm going to go ahead, take it off, and put it in my oven. Because I got all the smoke on there that I need. We did hickory. So yeah, this should be all good. All right, folks, it is done. It is smelling delicious, looking delicious. Oh my God. Well, a lot of the fat rendered down. I didn't know it was going to render down like this, but I do got a little crispy crackety.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Skins.
Crispy crackety. It come quite out hot like I wanted, because I wanted like the whole thing just to stay. I didn't know it was going to render like that. Maybe my Latin brothers and sisters would reach out to me and tell me what I did wrong. Say, hey, okay, how can I just keep it that part just stay crispy and don't curl up and render up like it did? But I ain't mad at it because it smells incredible.
Oh, and look at
This man got me salivating.
Bone came right on down.
Yeah.
Man,
It's still hot. It's still hot. Oh,
coming right off the bone.
I like that. I ain't got
Coming right off the bone.
no fighting.
Wow.
Woo! Alright, yeah. I'm gonna let it cool down a little more. I'll be right back with you.
Okay.
A little quick taste test. Out the chain.
I'm on
I got you, baby.
Okay.
See, here goes some more crispy bits. I'm gonna say the crispy bits for you to dip with. Oh man, look at that crisp on there.
Oh yes.
Woo. I'm gonna eat that. All right, so y'all saw how I did this. I did it, roughly 3.5 hours out there on the smoker. Then I brought it in the oven for 4 hours total. The last 40 minutes when I was at 195 to get that crispity crackety on the skin. Very tasty, very tasty. And we're gonna go ahead and get this served up. We got family coming over, and this is gonna be all devoured. Yeah, look at that, man. All right, much appreciation. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.